To determine the best backpacking stove, consider the features: stove type, boil time, weight, igniters, stabilizers, and price. While there are many stove types, we tended to favor canister styles as they're the most popular. We also kept weight and boiling time in mind to prevent picking items that are too heavy or that take too long to boil water. There are many products available to choose from best backpacking stove, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best backpacking stove from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ahuhu Stainless Steel Backpacking Stove. If you're trying to travel light, having to bring fuel with you can add to your overall load. The Ahuhu Stainless Steel Backpacking Stove is the perfect option for campers heading to the woods. You'll like that this is a collapsible wood-burning backpacking stove that can be easily converted into a grill when you don't feel like using it with pans. While this stove is designed for use with wood burning, it also comes with a solidified alcohol plate, making this a versatile option for a variety of camping environments. We like that you can easily switch between the grill grid and the pot supporter, depending on what you want to cook. Plus, this backpacking stove features a sturdy base that won't tip over, and the pot supporter attachment is designed to shield your flames from the wind. It has a 3-arm base support system, so it maintains stability even in windy conditions. This is also environmentally friendly because it does not use fuel canisters or alcohol, so you're not leaving any chemical emissions behind. Number 2. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Backpacking Stove. If you prefer the steady flame of a canister fuel source, you'll appreciate the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Backpacking Stove. This is an ideal winter backpacking stove because its ultra-compact design means you'll have more space to bring essentials like warm camping gear. This backpacking stove weighs in at just 2.6 ounces, making it the lightest option in our guide. You'll also appreciate the easy setup that doesn't require any preheating, pressurizing, or priming. Although this canister backpacking stove doesn't have a piezo ignition, we do like that it comes with 3 built-in serrated arms to support a range of pots. You'll also like that you can boil a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. You like that you can adjust the flame so that you can switch between boiling and simmering. As for your tent, while camping, the best rooftop tents are a good choice. Number 3. Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System. If you do even a cursory search for best backpacking stove, you'll inevitably come across a Jetboil stove, and for good reason. The Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System is our best quality recommendation because it's one of the most user-friendly options that consistently works and includes intuitive accessories to make cooking at a campsite easier. We like that this model features a push-button igniter that makes starting a flame easy and safe to do. More importantly, this backpacking stove is compatible with Jetboil's complete line of campfire cooking accessories, but comes with a few essentials to make your cooking experience more enjoyable. You'll appreciate the fuel canister stabilizer, so you don't have to worry about your stove tipping over. A lid cover can also pull double duty as a measuring cup and a bowl. And the thermochromic color changing heat indicator on the built-in cooking cup indicates when your water has reached boiling. Number 4. Riahead Ultralight Backpacking Stove. If you're an occasional camper or maybe you're not looking to spend a lot, some of the more expensive models in our guide might be beyond your reach. But the Riahead Ultralight Backpacking Stove is a great solution for the budget camper who wants all the gear without the sticker shock. This collapsible and lightweight stove is designed to work with propane canisters. And at just over half a pound, you like that it doesn't take up much space or weigh you down. We like that although this was a budget pick, you still get essential features like a piezo ignition starter. Plus, this is a 2-pack, meaning that you'll always have a backup on hand should you accidentally misplace the first backpacking stove. Whereas most stoves with this design only feature 3 pot arms, this one has 4, adding to the stability. Likewise, you'll appreciate that you can also control the flame output with the control valve. Number 5. Otoland Camping Cookware Backpacking Stove. For some people, camping is all about roughing it with simple fare. But for others, every meal should be an experience, whether it's at home, a restaurant, or around a campfire. If the latter sounds like you, then the Otoland Camping Cookware Backpacking Stove is the best backpacking cookware option in our guide. It's a smart solution that features a comprehensive set of cookware and cutlery, so that every meal is as refined as you would prefer. You might want to also consider the best disaster kit to be extra prepared. In addition to the canister backpacking stove, this kit comes with 2 pots, 1 set of cutlery, knife, spoon, and fork, a 16-ounce cup with an insulating sleeve, and a stabilizer for your fuel canister. The backpacking stove features a piezo ignition for a quick and easy setup, with 4 pot arms for a stable surface. But we like that both of the non-stick pots feature heat-resistant anti-slip collapsible handles. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.